Hello, mid-career professionals. Yes, I am talking to you guys. Mid-career professional hit dead end in their career very soon. This could be because of technology automation, or maybe because of economic slowdown. As we know that CXO level jobs are very limited in the market. On top of it, mid-career professional never developed above average IQ or healthy EQ. And this is the time that mid-career professionals face maximum liabilities and have very less risk-taking capability. So what are the consequences of this in the workplace? The consequences are that you start facing humiliation. This could be in terms of you are made to report a junior guy, or maybe in terms of your cabin is taken off. So like a sacrificial goat, you are fed till the time you are killed. So what are finally the effects on the mid-career professional? The effects are that you start getting into depression. Your mental health deteriorates. And this effect is more significant on the women workers because they reach to this position after breaking glass ceiling. And once they hit the stagnancy, they feel that it is because of them, which is not the case. So the stagnancy starts stinking. What is the solution? How do we overcome this mid-career crisis or stagnancy in the career? Let me tell you that you are not alone. There are plenty of people who are facing this crisis or stagnancy in the career. However, I will share 5-step formula to overcome this stagnancy in the career. The first is that you have to develop your growth mindset. That implies that you should have a mind of saying that yes, I can do it, I am capable of doing everything in this world. Second is that you have to take care of your health. You know, health is wealth. And you have to exercise daily. Also practice meditation to introspect and reprogram yourself. That will help you in long way. Third is that you should experiment courage. This implies that if you have to leave the job when the humiliations are piling up, you should not be scared of that. Fourth is that you should create your own identity. The moment you create your own identity, there are a world of opportunities available in the market. And finally, you should create some sort of budget fund, and that is the fund which can allow you to make a decision to leave the current job and try for something else. Thank you, gentlemen. Till the time we meet next time.